Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called SiteBlow, which is a first to market AI powered website builder that helps users to create up to 120 businesses and professional business people in 60 seconds from one single tool. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 4 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $699 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.